Hello everyone. Now I am going to discuss one more important topic, that is balancing of redox reactions. Balancing of redox reactions. This is two types. One is in acidic medium, another one is basic medium. First I am going to discuss acidic medium. Balancing redox reactions in acidic medium. Okay. First, what are the steps? One by one I will explain. So first we have to identify the oxidation number of the central atoms. In the given equation, for each and every ion, we have to identify the oxidation number of the central atoms. Here central atom is manganese, here central atom sulfur, here only one ion is there, so its charge equals to oxidation number. Here central atom is sulfur. So we have to find out the oxidation number of manganese. It is taken as X. Oxygen oxidation number for -2. 4 oxygens is present, so -8. It is equals to -1. Now X equals to 8 minus 1. X is equals to +7. +7 is the oxidation state of manganese in this MnO4 minus ion. Okay. Next, oxidation number of sulfur. Here sulfur taken as X. Here 3 oxygens is present, so 3 2s are 6. -6 equals to -2. Here X equals to 6 minus 2. Now X equals to +4. Here sulfur oxidation state is +4. This only one atom is present, so its charge equals to oxidation state. Here +2 is the oxidation state of the manganese, and now sulfur taken as X -8 is equals to -2. Here X is equals to 8 minus 2. Now X is equals to +6. X is equals to +6. Here oxidation number of sulfur is 6. Here minus oxidation number +7. It is changed to +2. It is changed as +2 oxidation. Means here this is the oxidation number decreases from manganese +7 to manganese +2. Oxidation number decreases. So it is reduction of reaction. It is reduction of reaction. In this, sulfur oxidation state is +4. In here SO4 -2, sulfur oxidation state is +6. Oxidation state increases from +4 to +6. Oxidation state increases, so it is oxidation of reaction. Oxidation of reaction. Now we have to split the reaction to half-cell reactions. We have to split the reaction as two half-cell reactions. One is oxidation half-cell reaction, other one is reduction half-cell reaction. First one is oxidation half-cell reaction. Oxidation of reaction. What is the oxidation of reaction? SO3 -2 gives rise to SO4 -2. SO3 -2 gives rise to SO4 -2. This is oxidation of reaction. Next one is reduction of reaction. Reduction of reaction. What is the reduction of reaction? MnO4 minus gives rise Mn+2. MnO4 minus gives rise to Mn+2. This is the reduction of reaction. We have to balance the both of reactions separately up to the equalizing the charges of the half reactions. Separately we have to balance the both of reactions. In the final step we have to add the reactions. So for in first step, what we have to do? In first step we have to balance the other atoms. In first step, we have to balance the other atoms. Other atoms remember, other than oxygen and hydrogen. For example, here other than oxygen and hydrogen, sulfur is present. Sulfur is present. So here other atom is sulfur. In this reduction of reaction, other than hydrogen and oxygen, manganese is present. Here manganese is the other atom. First we have to balance the other atoms by multiplying with a suitable coefficient. So balancing other atoms. Other atoms nothing but other than oxygen and hydrogen. So in this oxidation of reaction, sulfurs are equal to both sides of the oxidation of reaction. Here left side of the reaction only one sulfur is present, right side of the reaction only one sulfur is present. So already sulfurs are balanced. Already sulfurs are equal to the both side of the reaction. So there is no need to balance sulfur in this reaction. We can write directly this reaction. Next, in this reaction, manganese is the other atom. In this reaction also, manganese already balanced. So there is no need to balancing of manganese. MnO4 minus useless. Mn. In next step, we have to balance oxygen atoms. To balance the oxygen atoms, we have to add required number of water molecules to the deficiency of oxygens. To balance the oxygen atoms, we have to add required number of water molecules to the deficiency side of the oxygens. For example, in this reaction, left side 3 oxygens are present. Here right side 4 oxygens are present. So deficiency in the left side. So we have to add one water molecule to the left side of the reaction. Here 3 oxygens are present. Here 4 oxygens are present. In this side, one oxygen is deficient. So we have to add one molecule to the left side of the reaction. So balancing oxygen atoms. Balancing oxygen atoms by addition of water molecule to the deficiency side. So here one oxygen is deficient, so we have to add one water molecule. SO3 minus 2 plus H2O useless SO4 minus 2. In the reduction of reaction, in the left side 4 oxygens are present, right side no oxygens are present. Left side 4 oxygens are present, right side no oxygen. So deficiency of oxygens in right side. So we have to add 4 water molecules to the right side of the reduction of reactions. Here 4 oxygens is present, here no oxygen. So we have to add 4 water molecules to the right side of the reduction of reaction. Here MnO4 minus useless Mn plus 2 plus 4H2. So oxygen's balancing Here 4 oxygens are present. In right side also 4 oxygens are. Here 3 plus 1 4 oxygens are present. Here 4 oxygens are present. Balancing of oxygens completed. Next we have to balance the hydrogen atoms. Balancing hydrogen atoms. We are balancing this equation in acidic medium. So in acidic medium, balancing of hydrogen atoms to the by the addition of H plus ions to the deficiency side. To balance the hydrogen atoms in acidic medium, we have to add H plus ions to the deficiency side of the off reaction. For example, here this oxidation of reaction, left side of the reaction 2 hydrogens are present, right side of the reaction no hydrogens. Right side of the reaction no hydrogens. So we have to add H plus ions to the right side of the oxidation of reaction. So SO3 minus 2 plus H2O gives less SO4 minus plus 2 hydrogens present. So I am adding 2 H plus ions. This is acidic medium, so I am adding H plus ions directly. Next, in this equation, reduction of reactions. Here, no hydrogens. Left side of the reduction of reaction, no hydrogens present. In the right side of the reduction of reaction, 4 2s are 8 hydrogens are present. So we have to add 8 H plus ions to the left side of the reaction. 8 H plus ions. MnO4 minus plus 8 H plus gives less Mn plus 2 plus 4H. Okay, here 8 hydrogens are present, here 8 hydrogens are present. Hydrogens also balanced in this equation. Next we have to balance charge. We have to balance charge by the addition of electrons. Addition of electrons. Balancing charge, addition of electrons. So observe the charges of the ions in the oxidation of reaction. Here SO3 has minus 2, H2O has 0 charge. So in this left side minus 2 charge is present. So in this right side of the oxidation of reaction minus 2, each hydrogen has plus 1. 2 hydrogens has plus 2 charge. This is minus 2 plus 2. Means total net charge of the right side of the oxidation of reaction 0. So here there is no charge. Here minus 2 charge is present left side of the reaction. So minus 2 nothing but 2 electrons are excess for the left side. 2 electrons are excess for the left side. So means right side electron deficiency is present. So we have to add 2 electrons to the right side of the reaction. So minus 2 nothing but excess of 2 reaction. So we have to add 2 electrons for the right side of the reaction. SO3 minus 2 plus H2O gives rise SO4 minus 2 plus 2H plus 2 electrons. So next in this reaction MnO4 minus, this has minus 1 charge, 8 H plus ions is present. So 8 plus 8 charge is present. Minus 1, this is plus 8. Minus 1 plus 8, 8 charge of this left side of the reaction plus 7. Plus 7. Right side of the reaction only plus 2 charge is present. For water molecule there is no charge. So in this left side plus 7, right side means difference of charge phi. So plus charge is more, electron deficiency is more. Plus charge is more, electron deficiency more. The difference of these two electrons, left side 5 electrons is deficient. Left side 5 electrons are deficient compared to the right side of the reaction. So we have to add 5 electrons to the left side of the reaction. MnO4 minus plus 8H plus 5 electrons useless Mn plus 2 plus 4H2. These are the balanced equations of separate oxidation and reduction reactions. Balanced equations separately, but these two reactions we have to add. These two reactions we have to add, that is so balanced oxidation of reaction is SO3 minus 2, SO3 minus 2 plus H2O first reason here, we have to equalizing the electrons to the both sides. Equalizing the electrons to the both sides. So here only 2 electrons present in the oxidation of reaction. In reduction of reaction, 5 electrons are present. To balance the electrons, total this reaction multiplied with 5. Total this of reaction multiplied with 2. This total reaction multiplied with 5. This total of reaction multiplied with 2. To equalizing the electrons. Okay now this is 5SO3 minus 2. This is 5H2. Useless 5SO4 minus 2 plus 10H plus 5 2s are 10H plus 5 2s are 10 electrons. Okay, this total equation multiplied with 2 MnO4 minus plus 2 into 8 16H plus and plus 2 into 5 10 electrons, 2 into 1 2 Mn plus 2 plus 2 into 4 2 into 4 8H2 8H2. Now add the both reactions here. If any molecules or electrons or H plus ions is present to the left side and right side of the reaction, both are cancelled to each other. Any molecules or ions or electrons present left side and right side that are cancelled to each other. For example, here 5H2O, this is 5H2O molecules to the left side of the reaction. Here 8H2O molecules present right side of the reaction. So from this 5 cancel, remaining 3 water molecules are present. Next, in left side of the reaction 16 H plus ions is present. In right side of the reaction 10 H plus ions is present. So these 10 cancel and remaining here 6 H plus ions is present. Here left side of the reaction 10 electrons are present. Here right side of the reaction 10 electrons are present. so both are cancelled to each other. Remaining ions and molecules we have to represent in the left side and the right side of the reaction. This is the left side of the reaction. 2Mn4 minus plus 5SO3 minus 2 5SO3 minus 2 plus in this 10 cancel 6 remaining H plus ions are present, so 6 H plus ions. In the right side 2Mn plus 2 plus 5SO4 minus 2 electrons are cancelled and remaining 3H2 are present. This is the balanced equation in the acidic medium. So manganese is the left side to right side also. Oxygens 2 4s are 8, 8 to 5 3s are 15, 8 plus 15 23. Here 5 4s are 23. Oxygens also same as equal to the left and right side. Next one is sulfur. 5 sulfurs are present in the left side of the reaction, 5 sulfurs are present in the right side of the reaction. Next to hydrogens, 6 hydrogens present in the left side of the reaction, 3 to the 6 hydrogens present in the right side of the reaction. This is the total balanced reaction in acidic medium. Here, okay, this is the we have to balance the equation in order. First, we have to split the reaction as oxidation of reaction and reduction of reaction. Then after, in second step, we have to balance the other atoms. Other atoms include other than oxygen and hydrogen. Then after, in third step, we have to balance oxygen atoms, by addition of required number of water molecules to deficiency center. Next, we have to balance the hydrogen atoms. Then after, balance the charges by addition of electrons. And finally, equalizing the electrons, and finally add the two off reactions as single reaction.